If you are dependent on your natural scent to carry you through life, my brother, we need to talk ASAP, immediately. So before we get into these 5 tips, please do me a favor and drop a like on the video. Thank you very much. Alright, so with that being said, let's get into it. So yes, this may probably be the most important video I've ever done or will probably ever do. So I want you to pay attention. I really want you to understand where I'm coming from today. Alright, so if you had to take notes, right? So if you are stepping out of the house without a fragrance, you are selling yourself short, literally. Today I'm giving you 5 reasons why wearing a fragrance is absolutely critical for every man. So let's go. Reason number 1, first impression speaks before you do. Before you open your mouth, your scent has already introduced you. A good fragrance tells people that you are confident, clean, and intentional. And trust me, people remember how you smell way longer than what you had on or what you said. So keep that in mind. Reason number 1, first impression speaks before you do. Reason number 2, it completes your style. This is important. Clothes, fabric, outfits, it shows your style, but fragrance shows your identity. A signature scent is like the final accessory, the finishing touch. It says, yes, I pay attention to detail. As a man, you want to present yourself like that. You want to show yourself as someone who pays attention to details. Ladies love that too. So we're flying through quickly. Reason number 3, instant confidence boost. There's something about smelling good that just hits different. I don't know if you could relate. I don't know if you could understand where I'm coming from. It hits different. Your whole energy changes. You walk different. You talk different. Fragrance just basically affects your psychology, and the right scent elevates your entire mood. So make sure and pay attention to choosing the right scent for the right occasion. Reason number 4, this is true whether you want to believe it or not. People react better to you when you smell good. I don't know if you have ever experienced that. They do. When you smell good, people automatically treat you better. I've seen it, I've experienced it, and I've even heard a few testimonies from other guys who experience that same thing. Why? Because you literally become more approachable, more appealing, and even more memorable. Whether it's business, social life, dating, a good fragrance works for you before you even say hi, before you even say hello, before you even say hola to my Spanish speaking viewers or Latin speaking viewers. Mi amigo, mi amigo. But yeah, I know you could agree or you could testify. Reason number 5, it shows you respect yourself. It shows you respect yourself. Why? Because wearing fragrance is a sign of personal care. It shows maturity, effort, and self-respect. It says, I value my hygiene, my presence, and how I show up to the world, basically. And that alone puts you ahead of most men. So fellas, stop leaving the house without that final touch. So if you don't remember anything I said today, guys, remember this. A good fragrance isn't a luxury. It's a necessity. That's the point that I want to drive home to you guys today. Again, if you need to go back, you need to rewind, do that, feel free, right? The information is there, but I really want you guys to really understand this. Okay, so if you agree with these 5 points, let me know. If you only agree with 1 or 2 of them, that's fine, let me know. And if you don't agree with any of them, that's fine as well. Leave it in the comments and we can interact there. Again, this was meant to be a long video, but I just really needed to make this video so that we could see the importance of it. Alright, so again, if you enjoyed the video, drop a like. And if you want more content along these lines, tips, grooming, style, whatever, fragrance, most importantly, go ahead and subscribe to the channel so you will be up to speed and up to date anytime I post a video. Alright, so while you're at it, like, share, comment, all that jazz. I really appreciate it. Thank you in advance. So you know how we do it here, guys. Stay fresh, smell the best, and I'll catch you in the next video. So until then, I'm out. Take care. Peace.